With the permission of the Honorable Chair, I stand to speak under the theme Governance, Leadership and Decision Making. And now I begin. नारी शक्ति वंदन केवल शब्दों का सम्मान नहीं, उन्हें निर्णय का अधिकार मिले, इससे बढ़कर कोई अभियान नहीं. And that is why today I rise from the holy land of Ahilya Bai Holkar, Colonel Sofia Qureshi, and a tribal woman president. Madam Speaker, when I look at today's topic, I see three aspects before me, enlisting how Nari Shakti Vandan has been a long due project, why it fosters inclusivity in governance, and what gap remains to make the dream of a Viksit Bharat come true. Honorable Speaker, 78 years since independence and just 74 women in the present day Lok Sabha. Worse so, there are state assemblies with 0 women representatives in their state legislative assemblies. In fact, this very premise is witness how copies of the Women Reservation Bill were torn apart and flown into the air because someone, somewhere, felt too intimidated to give voice to the women of this country. But fortunately, we have come far from this, yet not too far. You walk the lanes of any city of this nation and you will find someone certificating how women are too fickle-minded, too emotional, and too irrational to decide. These stereotypes only tell us that there is not one glass ceiling to be broken, but many. Because leadership is not merely about command, it is about care too. And it is this very lack of care that thousands of victims of structural violence never make their case to the table because they don't find a reliable space to confide their pain. But when women enter politics, they transform politics. Closer home, our villages are examples how, when women-led panchayats come forward, there is better efficiency and better outcomes. But, ladies and gentlemen, let me also caution you that only visibility is not equality. Only symbolism is not power. When Nobel laureate Amartya Sen talks of development as freedom, he also means freedom for the women of this country to participate with equality of opportunity, dignity, and safety. And that is why I wish that this aspiring Vishwaguru and the 4 walls of this historic chamber echo with me today in unison that Nari Shakti, Nari Sankalp, Nari se Nav Nirman, Nari Niti, Nari Netritva, Nari se Rashtra Mahan. Amrit Kaal sa khile Bharat, हर क्षेत्र में हो उत्थान, सुशासन हो, नारी बने, विकसित भारत की पहचान. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Now, Honorable MP